All right, Charlotte, let's wake everybody up. Good morning, everybody. Have a great day. Make good choices. Charlotte, no, Charlotte, stop. You're supposed to let them out first before you raid their house. I'm sorry, guys. Excuse me. Can I just... Excuse me, guys. Where did Charlotte go? Oh, forget it. Rosie! Do you have anything to say this morning? Oh, yeah? Okay. Heard that. Good morning, duck crew. You guys enjoying the pool this morning? Not too hot, not too cold? Let's let the baby ducks out now. Come on, babies. You guys, come on. Let's seize the day. You guys think you might want to go live with me later today so I can reveal your names, or no? Off to the pool? Okay. Have fun. Make good choices. All right, let's go wake up the goats. I mean, they're already awake and waiting for me to open the doors, but you know what I mean. Good morning, guys. Come on out. What's going on, Sandra? You tired this morning? Good morning, Grayson. Good morning, Midnight. Come on out, cuties. Oh, chicken's wasting no time, running right in there. Buster, Ronak. Good morning, you guys. Come on. Have a good day. Hi, buddy. Listen, will you please take it easy today and stop trying to escape? I would appreciate it, okay? Loki. Good morning, sir. Have a great day today. My sweet Penny. All right, now let's head over to the barn and go wake up everybody else. Good morning, Maverick. Good morning, Goose. Oh my goodness, look at your little baby twofers coming in. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to embarrass you. You guys ready to come out this morning? I see Dad already put your halters on and got you guys ready for me. Sounds like Bubba and Ren have some drama going on this morning. Boys, what seems to be the problem? Oh, really? Oh, no, he did not. I don't know. Ren just said he didn't do it, Bubba. So, boys, settle down. Come on, guys. We can work it out. What's the problem? Guys, boys, relax. What's the problem this morning? Ren said it was you, Bubba. What's going on? Talk to me. Come on, guys. We can talk this out. You're best friends. Ren. And I was like, man, it's 7 a.m.